Use this trick to 3x your assignment fees in wholesaling real estate. I'm going to show you, if not how to double, but how to triple your real estate assignment fees in your real estate wholesaling business. So in this video, let's break it down. I'm going to show you exactly the one trick that I use that's absolutely a game changer for your real estate wholesaling business. And also I'm going to give you some other tips on actually how to triple your real estate assignment fees. I'm telling you right now, you can keep the amount of deals you're doing the same, but I can stretch it a lot further and just 3x the results. You don't have to get 3 times as much deals. Do these little things, you can just make more money while doing the same exact work. And I know it's very attractive for some wholesalers out there. So really, let's break it down. But if you don't know who I am, my name is Zach Ginn. I'm a 21-year-old real estate wholesaler out of Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I am on a mission to help you become a six-figure wholesaler absolutely for free in real estate wholesaling. Of course, I want you to be a 7-figure wholesaler, but let's keep it right now. Teaching you 6 figures, over 6 figures a year in real estate wholesaling, absolutely for free. No coaching, no gurus, no courses like that. I'm going to show you actually how to do it on this YouTube channel. So before we get into it, you guys already know you need to smash that like button and subscribe, help this YouTube algorithm out so we can help as much people as possible in the real estate wholesaling journey. So here's my secret here. You need to get the lowest price possible. That's it. That is my secret to tripling your real estate assignment fees. So let's break that down a little more, because I could just say that and this video could cut short really quick. But really, what do I mean by getting just the lowest price possible? That's basically the secret. And really the reason why most real estate wholesalers are stuck in a bad mindset and they're not getting the lowest price possible is because their wholesaling guru coach told them that you just need to add on or bake in a $10,000 to $15,000 assignment fee, and that's basically it. I think that's stupid. I think you need to reach the moon. Those $15,000 to $10,000 deals you're getting, you are literally throwing away tens of thousands of dollars in your real estate wholesaling business. A $40,000 to $50,000 deal you would have made if you did the right things could have turned into a quick 10 to 15 that you did because your MAO formula. I'm not going to get into a 5-hour rant on why this MAO formula, where you just take 70% of the ARV minus repairs and then minus off your 10 to 15,000, and that's basically it, is stupid. I think you should just go for the lowest price possible and really help the seller out. The reason why this mindset's all messed up is because people were making $40,000 to $50,000 wholesale assignment fees. They're not doing this. And really, you just need to be adjusting your offers here. So my next tip for you here is don't offer to the sellers. Offer to the seller based on the problem that you're solving. So get the price out of the seller. Don't get the offers off the bat. Doing that will give you such a huge advantage in your real estate wholesaling negotiations. And truly doing the stuff will get the perfect bottom line out of your seller so you get the most money possible. Now, not every seller is going to be a $50,000 to $60,000 deal. Not every real estate wholesaling deal is $50,000 and you just got to find a way to get it. Some deals are just $5,000 to $10,000 and some are $40,000 to $50,000. It's hard to explain, but it's really a feel thing, just talking to your motivated sellers. And if you can have a feeling that the motivation's so high, I can make 50 to 60 on this one, or, I'm just going to have to make 10 to 15. It really requires more experience to really feel that out. But the best thing I can always tell you is don't get the price out first, ask them what they need to get out of the property, and you can do very well. But from all the $50,000 real estate assignment deals that I did this year and last year, I've really kind of made a list on what I've actually seen from these, and they all have the same things going on. So if you're trying to figure out if this deal is a huge one or not, this is what I look at. First of all, when I made these huge, massive profits, I always had massive rapport. Not just rapport, but massive rapport. I connected with the seller so well. I connected with them on a personal level. I used the Ford method, family, talk about their family, occupation, talk about what they do for a living, R, recreation, what they like to do for fun, and D is dreams, what they want to do in the next 1 to 5 years. Using that method helps me build massive rapport. Looking around the appointment, seeing what I can do to really connect with someone. Let's say I see a Babe Ruth poster, they're the big Yankees fan. I can talk about that, or they're a big Red Sox fan. Really sort of use some analogies. Maybe I got some fishing on the wall, some knitting things. Really use that to really connect with the seller and really build that nice connection and rapport. Next here is we help the seller with a massive issue. The motivation on all these properties were huge. One example was one deal where the seller had a tenant in there that was just absolutely destroying the property. It was so disgusting inside. They started smoking inside the house, and it was a complete mess. They got evicted, but they left such a trash in the property. They kept all the furniture smashed. They smashed a window. They destroyed the AC, the plumbing. They wreaked havoc on this property, and this motivated seller just wanted out of this deal, and we helped them accordingly, and we made over $60,000 in profit last year on that deal. So really, every huge deal we do, we have massive connection rapport with the seller, and we just help the seller so much on that transaction. So for every big deal we do, we have the massive rapport. You can't really get these deals without having that massive rapport. Now, the next thing you can do if you're trying to get the price out of the seller when you're trying to get bigger assignment fees here is you need to ask this about 4 or 5 times if they're not giving it to you. Ask them how much they're looking to sell the property for you. Ask it 4 different ways, how much you're looking to get out of the property. You know, another tip here is something really cool. If I was going to pay all closing costs in a perfect scenario, if I had a magic wand, how much would you get for the property? And you just keep talking about it in different ways, and they're going to come out, $100,000. And wow, I was going to offer them 120 and make 15. Things worth 135. They said 100. I made 35 versus the 15 here. Boom, you've almost tripled that. It's absolutely amazing. You want to lowball, but you don't want to get kicked out of the property. Almost make embarrassing low offers. What we want to do here is we want to go for a no. We want the seller to say no. That's got to be our goal. Because think about this. You never know what they truly want out of the property. Their number can be completely different than your number in your mind. Then from there, go to www.flipwithrick.com/contract, get our free wholesaling contract. Also the free assignment of contract there, so you can actually get better deals here. But really, that's my number one secret for tripling your assignment fees. But here's the bonus for you. You could triple that, but how are you going to quadruple that? So the way to quadruple your assignment fees is, I didn't really know if I was going to get into this or not, but I had a feeling I got to do this right now. So you want to utilize your cash buyers. Your cash buyers is the next way to get more of your assignment fees. Think about it like this. We're in the business of selling contracts in real estate. We're basically selling a product. So if I was selling a phone here and I was selling it for $100 a phone, that's cool. So I'm buying the phone for $70 and I'm selling it for $100. Now, if we're able to buy these phones for $60 and sell it for $100, we made more money, right? What if I was able to buy these phones for $60 and sell them for $120? Now we're talking right? Now we're making more profit. We're cutting down the cost of buying and we're increasing the cost to sell. Absolutely one of the best strategies out there. So I just taught you how to buy them for more of a discount, these phones, these real estate wholesaling contracts, but next we're selling them. So our cash buyers, again, these are the people that are buying our products for cash. How do you squeeze more profit out of selling your deals? The way to do this is you got to talk to higher level and higher quality cash buyers. These high quality cash buyers are somewhere between low level flippers, people that are just absolutely new into flipping real estate, people that are buying rental properties on the MLS, people that are buying rental properties that are used to the regular returns of buying something on the MLS for real estate investment property. These type of cash buyers are a lot more work than your seasoned flipper or your seasoned rental guy, but they will pay a premium for these properties. They're not used to getting such a big discount like the other guys that you sell all your deals to. So it's an absolutely amazing tool to do. The way that I find these guys is I just go to listrei.com, pull the cash sales in my area, and then SMS blast them with smszach.com. And then I give them higher prices, and they pay higher prices. Now, they'll pay way higher than someone that flips like 50 properties a year and they're seasoned and they want a bigger discount. These guys want less of a discount, but they're still willing to take that because it's more of a discount than anything on the MLS. Now, another tip too is to talk to your realtors. I know wholesalers and realtors are sometimes fighting with each other. They got a little scarcity mindset. Oh, I'm going to get a deal and you're going to steal my deal. No, realtors can be your biggest asset because a lot of them have cash buyers that are wanting to buy rental properties and a lot of investment flipping opportunities on the MLS. And if these realtors can bring these deals to the cash buyers, they will look like a rock star because they're getting massive discounts off the MLS. And the cash buyer's happy, the realtor gets their commission, and everyone makes money. I make more money doing that, the realtor makes more money, and the cash buyer makes more money. It's a win-win-win. Obviously, to do that is you look for rental properties and see the recent cash sales on those rental properties. Find the realtor on there, cold call the realtor, and ask them if they have any cash buyers that are willing to buy my wholesale deals for a deep discount. Go over in the conversation, qualify them from there, and then boom, you got an extra source of cash buyers. So that's it, guys. That's how to triple your assignment fees in your real estate wholesaling business. Maybe I taught you how to quadruple them, but it's really the process of buying properties for cheaper and selling them for more money. It's not a crazy math equation. It's as simple as you make it. That is it, guys. So if you got any value out of this video, please, you already know, smash that like button and subscribe to get more content from me. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you guys so much and have a blessed day.